Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Week English. My dear friends, today I am going to discuss about if you are a student, if you are a job seeker, if you want to get a beautiful job for you, actually this video is for you. My dear friends, I request to anybody else, those are watching my video, if you are a student, if you want to get a beautiful job for you, actually this video is a knowledgeable video for you. So let's begin this video. My dear friends, every student wants that to get a beautiful job for them, but they don't know actually how can they prepare for it. Every student wants this thing. How can they achieve this thing? But you don't know actually how can achieve this thing and what you can do preparation for this thing. I must discuss one by one actually what you can do if you want to get a beautiful job for you. If you are a student, if you want to get a beautiful job for you, actually this video must helpful to you to grow in your life. My dear friends, don't worry. What I give advice to you, you just utilize according to you. Friends, every student, either you, whatever you have qualification, that is not matter, but you want that. How can you get a job according to you, according to qualification? But you don't know actually how can you achieve this thing. First ask question to yours, actually what you have knowledge. Then you can go for interview to get that job. I know you have nothing else to achieve that thing. But before going to an interview, before getting that job, first of all you have to prepare to yourself. Who is your boss? Who is your interviewer? They must ask question to you in English language. That's why I am telling to you actually what you can do for that job. Then you can achieve that job easily. My dear friends, every student wants this. Everybody else wants this thing. How can they get it easily? But what you think you can get it easily, actually that is very difficult. That is not possible. If it would be possible for anybody else, actually anybody else must do that job for themselves. Friends, don't worry. If you are so passionate for getting that job, after you must do some work for you. That work is, first of all, you learn English. Without English, if you think that you must get that job, actually that is very difficult. Those are interviewers. Those are sitting in that time. They must ask question to you in English language. Their motives, what you have talent. If you show your talent in that time, actually you must get that job easily. Because those are interviewers. They want to know from you actually what you have talent, what you have knowledge. They don't see actually what you have qualification. They must check your ability. They must check your intelligence. That's all for them. That's why I am telling to you, before going to take an interview, actually you must do this thing, because this is the priority for you to get a beautiful job for you. Without speaking in English, that is very difficult for you. If you think that you have so much qualification, you have so much experience, you must get it easily. Actually that is not possible. Those are introverts. They must check you. Actually, what you have skill. If you are ready to face that, actually they must choose you. They must select you. First you ask question to yourself. Those are introverts. Actually, why sit down in that time? They must directly choose you according to qualification. So why should they take interview for you? Only for this reason. Actually, what your talent, what you have knowledge, they must see your talent. According to that, they must choose you. Actually, either you fit or not. They are not see your qualification. Only see your talent. That's all for them. If you do that thing in front of them, after they must choose you. Without any reason, they must choose you and you must get selected in that job. But you are not ready to learn this language. You think that this language is very difficult language. You can't achieve this thing. My dear friends, I know everybody has weakness, but you are not ready. How can you strong this weakness? If you do more practice for this learning language, actually it must happen. But you are not ready to practice more for this language. I know you are a beginner. You just want to get, how can you get a job anywhere else? That's all for you. So first of all, you think that how can you get that job without this proficiency? Nobody can offer you that job because there are so many competitors available in this time. Everybody wants this job. Only for this reason, maximum students are getting failure in that interview because they have skill, but they don't show their skill in front of them. That's why they rejected you. My dear friends, this is the tips for you. I think you can understand it very well. Actually, what I said. If this thing is knowledgeable for you, actually you just like and subscribe channel to get such type of information for me. So thank you, all the best.